Welcome back. You're watching Take Stock Market Open, and the Karachi stock market, for those of you just joining us, managing to open on a bullish note. Currently, the 100 index well above the 9,400 point level, up by 74 odd points. KSE 30, KMI 30, all in green right now. Insurance sector in the limelight, along with the banking sector, where intense and value buying is being witnessed across the board. Also, Zen, international crude oil prices were previously gaining. Now they had crossed or surpassed the $81 to a barrel mark. Now they have eased off, and for a third consecutive day, international oil prices have eased down.
Now, this easing off effect was being expected. Oil prices did rise way faster than was being expected, and way faster than demand was being generated in the international economy. So on the back of that, international oil prices did take a correction, and we saw for the past 2-3 days there has been significant correction, coming down from close to $82 a barrel. Oil prices last we checked were trading at about $78.82 a barrel. Now oil prices dropped as US equities also took a slump on concerns that the government will phase out a tax credit from home buyers, and Bank of America Corporation will have to sell shares to pay back its government bailout. Also, OPEC may increase production targets when it meets in December, after the International Energy Agency warned that rising oil prices will threaten the global economic recovery. Also, the price of oil was pushed back below $80 a barrel after OPEC did say that they will be increasing their output in the next meeting. So that did bring in oil prices towards the downward decline, and last checked trading at $78.82 a barrel. And as we have been mentioning time and time again, different oil analysts have been saying that oil prices more likely for the economy to pick up should range between $65 to $75 a barrel, and that is where oil prices are expected to stay as far as the next couple of months are concerned. So that's the latest from the international oil scenario. Also, the Karachi stock market up by 76 points right now, trading at a level of 9,451 points. But it is results season, and 3 results have come out so far in the market hours today. Capco number 1 have announced their quarter-ended result, profit after tax of 1.33 billion rupees, EPS of 1.5. Samba Bank has announced a 9-month result, loss after tax of 755 million, loss per share of 0.86 rupees, and RBS 9-month loss after tax of 1.43 billion and loss per share of 0.86 rupees. So that is the latest as far as results are concerned. The market up by 77 points. Good activity mainly in the OMC and banking sector, continuing in the local equity market. We'll keep you updated on the Karachi stock market. You're more than welcome to write to us at takestock@dawnnews.tv for any of your comments or suggestions. Till 4:30 p.m. for a complete analysis of the day from Iza and Sohorwardi.
From me, Taha Siddiqui, and the rest of the Market Open team. Take care and have a great day.